Welcome everyone here at the 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Expo at Panjim, Goa. I would like you to please introduce yourself quickly and in short.
I am Dr. Piyush Juneja, founder IndianVedyas.com and practicing in Ghaziabad with one of the highest rated Ayurveda doctor.
What made you interested in the field of Ayurveda and how did this journey start?
Yeah, so when I was trying for my pre-medical, so somehow in Uttarakhand we were not having government allopathic hospitals, and then I studied and researched about Ayurveda, and I really found that Ayurveda is a good field. It's in our Indian heritage, and I voluntarily took admission into Ayurveda, and luckily I got one of the oldest college of our country, that is Gurukul Kangdi Haridwar, and in that college in 5 years we have learned exhaustively about Ayurveda, and we have seen patients coming on bed and going by their feet. So that faith and that confidence was there in us when we passed out. And from last 16 years, we are one of the leading Ayurveda clinic, you can say, in Ghaziabad, and helping thousands of patients to heal their diseases. And couple of years back, we started this platform, IndianVedyas.com, where we have more than 1 lakh Ayurveda doctors across India practicing in the private space and healing patients with Ayurveda.
Doctor, since you have been practicing for so long, what are the challenges that you have faced in your practice and how has Sandu Pharmaceuticals helped you in your practice?
Right, see, challenges, as you say, that there are a lot of challenges. People sometimes will not take the raw, crude form of Ayurveda. So we have to give them good medicines, like good packaging, but quality should also be there. So that was one challenge, and I think in Sandu we have seen the classical range as well as the proprietary range. Both have the quality, like I'm using Bring Sanjeevani for hair fall, I'm using your Pathyadi Kada for migraine cases, I'm using your Bilajil for IBS, then your this Whoopin cough syrup is very good in productive cough for kids especially. We are using several of your medicines and products in our clinic. Makar Brush is an excellent tonic which I'm using for all the people in this winter season. So you people have maintained the quality. The challenge is quality, definitely. The challenge is price. Your price is also not that much adequate. Patient can afford good quality medicines and good quality Ayurveda products at your price. So that is, I think, your USP, and we as an Ayurveda doctor Vaidyas are very much supporting these kind of companies, and you always respect Vaidyas and doctors as well.
What do you think of the combination of hashtag say yes to Ayurveda that Sandu Pharmaceuticals has come up with and the whole concept of WAC, Ayurveda for One Health, and how it can promote Ayurveda?
It's an excellent effort by our government as far as WAC is concerned, and health one for all. Like definitely, it will help the entire society, the culture. As I was seeing from yesterday, Goa is a tourism hub, and all the tourists and all the people who are coming to Goa now for next 4 days. This World Ayurveda Congress hoardings are all over here. People are reading, people are talking about that Ayurveda is so huge and so big. So I have seen so many people in the airport, flight as well. So I think that is an excellent move. Our PM, respected PM, will always be there on 11. So we again congratulate the government, and we are very much looking forward to take it ahead.
Since you have been practicing for so long, what are your expectations from Sandu Pharmaceuticals as a practitioner?
See, we are definitely prescribing and using several products from Sandu as far as the classical and patent and proprietary products are concerned. And we think there are three, I can say, my advice and my feedback I want to give to your company. First is, already you are there with the doctor network establishment. But yes, we need to increase that, and in many regions, in many pockets, I have seen that people are aware and people are know that the Sandu is good company, especially your Asa Varisht, your Quath range and all. But somehow they are unable to either connect, or somehow they are unable to start getting that for their setups or their clinics. So my request is please focus, and we as a platform can also help you on that. Second is the sales schemes and overall the trading aspect should be more aggressive and should be more approached, should be towards the doctor centric. We are already there in terms of some schemes and all, but it can improve, and we can always share our feedback also. And third is, as far as the new product launches, I think most of the segments you have already have good products. But yes, as far as the gynae range, infertility and gynae range, which I am working a lot, so you people can add certain products to that as well, and whenever you need, we are there to give us suggestions and feedback. But anything from say leukorrhea, dysmenorrhea, or PCOD, ovarian cysts, so many companies have so good medicines. So Sandu can have a complete range. We only have couple of patent medicines for that. And yes, classical is there, but not that much again. So that can one range which we can, I think, take it forward and Sandu can plan. Thank you.